G'day folks, Luke here from Fish That Snag. A couple of weeks ago, Ray from Rays Ozzy Lures sent me some new lures to trial basically. This is one of them here. It's called a Skinny Minnow. Skinny Minnow. Okay, pretty skinny, looks like a minnow. It's got a set of trebles on the bottom, made from recycled material. Rigid, so they're not soft, okay, in that minnow shape. And I thought, what the heck, let's go throw it. And this is what happened first cast using Rays Ozzy Lures new Skinny Minnow.
Please get the head, please. I got the head cam on. Behind him, put the net in the water. No, gotta go lower, Len. It's a long handle. It's a long handle. Use the whole handle. Okay, just wait. Good work, mate. Bring him on. Here he goes. And away he goes. Disappeared.
There you go folks, how cool was that? Not the biggest fish in the world, but a fish nonetheless. Pretty impressed to take it straight out of the box and score a fish. Now, a couple of things about Rays Ozzy Lures Skinny Minnow. It's recycled material, it's very, very light. Okay, so you need quite a light outfit to be able to cast it out and get some distance. Basically, it'll land on the water and sit on the surface. It doesn't really sink a lot, it sits on the surface, and you need to use the rod tip, okay, pulling it down quite firmly to get the lure to basically go under the water. It rights itself like that, and then it swims. All right. Each time you pull the rod tip down, it'll sort of duck from side to side, and then when you pause, it'll go back on its side slowly and rise through the water column. And that's when the strike comes from the fish, all right? Now you could play with trebles a little bit, maybe to increase the weight and things like that, but definitely use a light outfit to cast this out and slow your action down to really get it swimming nicely through the water, all right? Check out Rays Ozzy Lures on Facebook. You can order these direct from him. Well done, Ray, you're onto a winner, and thanks very much for your time, folks.